Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and it's giveaway time. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about stretching your craft dollar and being affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram and join our Facebook group. This is where I post all of my deals, steals, and freebies that I find through my travels in the crafting world. You don't want to miss out. So, for this giveaway, this will be open until Friday, March 19th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be a general knowledge question at the end that you have to answer. And please join me on my Crochetversarry Live Friday, March 19th from 9 p.m. to midnight, where I will be drawing all the winners from my Crochetversarry Live playlist. I will link that down below. You need to enter individually on each video and answer the general knowledge question in the comments. So, to win this giveaway, you need to be over 18 years old. You need to like this video. You need to comment down below the answer to my general knowledge question. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you can, please follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group. And this giveaway is open worldwide. I am not excluding anybody. This is not sponsored by anybody. Hobby Lobby did not sponsor this. It's all me. YouTube did not sponsor this either. So for this giveaway, there's a few tools and some organizational help. So the first thing I have is a tape measure that's covered in fabric. What I really like about this tape measure is that it is a locking tape measure. So it locks and then you push the button. Boop. You are going to be getting 2 of these because who doesn't love an extra tape measure, because I'm always losing them personally. Then there is a mesh notions bag that has the same pattern. All of these things are coordinating. So it's a mesh notions bag with a zipper. Then there is another bag with a zipper and a really nice clip on the end that rotates. You can see there's a nice clip. If you don't want to use this for your bag, you can always just cut this right here and use it for something else. Waste not, want not, right? And I really like this flower pattern, how it looks kind of watercolor. It's got blues and greens and a gray background and some purples and some dark teals here. Very pretty. Then there is a pretty heavy-duty scissor case. Now this is something I use for my sewing scissors, but it is nice, and on the inside it's got another sturdy fabric on the inside here. So there's a case for your scissors that coordinates. There is this big case that is designed for a rotary hook, not a rotary hook, a rotary cutter, but hooks fit in here beautifully. So there's a pouch here. And then there is a zipper pouch on the other side that has the mesh that you can see through. And then when you close this up, it's actually pretty decently sized, if you can see that. So this is a pretty versatile case. I actually am using one of these in my car. Permanently lives there as my notion / hook case in my car. I can't leave my hooks out in like a cup holder or something because my son will want to use them. My toddler. And then this is a sewing kit that comes with a zippy pouch that's clear. And the reason that I grabbed this was because who doesn't love to have some cheap crochet tools? So one of the things in here, and I'm not going to open this one because I'm giving it away, but I have one for myself that I grabbed, is a really nice pair of scissors that have like that squishy grip. And they have a nice pointy end. You can see that. Also in the kit, let me just grab mine, is a flexible measuring tape that's white, and it has centimeters and inches. 150 centimeters and 60 inches on the measuring tape. There is a metal thimble that I will be repurposing for crafts. I use a leather thimble, so that's why I'm not going to be using that. There are, excuse me, I'm sorry. There are some small needles. There are some straight pins that are in a zipper pouch. I don't know how many are in there. I'm not counting them. Some straight pins in a zippy pouch. There is some inexpensive thread in here in the colors blue and red, like a baby blue, navy blue and brown. Pardon for my crinkles. Come out. Sorry about the crinkles. Pink and yellow. Purple and green. Black and white. And you can use these to sew on to sew faces on your amigurumi. You can use them to attach buttons. There's lots of uses you can use for this stuff. I like that it comes in a bunch of colors. And then besides the scissors, probably my favorite tool in here is this little guy. So this is a seam ripper, but I generally use these for, besides seam ripping, cutting yarn. These are nice little yarn cutters. This is the yarn cutter that I have in my car. I also have a pair of scissors, but I have this also. So I love that. And then also you get the nice pouch that has the, where did I put it? Behind me? Oh, where is it? Hello. That has the nice see-through window. Just to recap, you get the rotary case, you get the mesh pouch, you get the scissor case, you get the notions bag with clip, okay, you get the sewing kit, and the 2 tape measures. So this is this giveaway. And if you want to enter this, again, you have to follow the rules. You need to comment below this video with my general knowledge question I will give you in a second. You need to be 18 years or older. You need to be able to receive giveaways from the United States. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you can, please follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group where I tell you all about the steals, deals, and freebies that I find in my crafting travels. The general knowledge question today is going to be, what is my favorite tool that came from the sewing kit that's in this giveaway? Feel free to rewind the video if you need to look. This is going to close at March 19th at 10 p.m. and I will be drawing the winners of all of these Crochetversarry giveaways, which will be in the playlist down below, on my Crochetversarry Live Friday, March 19th at 9 p.m. to midnight. I hope to see everybody there. Have a creative day, everyone, and best of luck. Bye.